little buddy. Spring is coming soon enough. Ready to rock and roll. All right, we have arrived. Very nice. Oh, we got an Arctic kitty back there. Thunder chicken, he likes to call it.
Holy shit, that's wild. We're shaking bacon.
Cool, cool.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's a great machine.
Don't put that yellow one in.
I was gonna say, fill her up with diesel. She runs better, cooler.
Yeah, definitely cooler.
Runs a lot cooler on diesel, yeah.
On the trailer.
Yeah, you kind of yelled loud. You have the communicator on. Is everything okay?
All keeps hearing it.
Yeah, exactly. Trails are good.
They're pretty decent.
Yeah, not bad, eh?
Feel good?
So we got Mr. Arctic Cat on the Yamaha today.
Yeah.
And he's got a smile on his face. So, hate to say it, but I think he likes it.
That's a good working machine.
It is.
her smack. We got ourselves a blown belt.
I know. It is friggin' everywhere.
All the cords are just separated, huh? That's the second belt you've blown on this. You might want to check your motor mounts.
Here's a pull cord for you.
So you still want to get that aluminum shield for underneath, maybe?
Yeah.
He was just talking about that today.
Worthy investment, right?
Yeah, you know what? Get the shield underneath the clutches just in case. Smells like fuel. Yo. Is this the pipe?
Oh, it's just
What's cooking?
that stuff's burned up.
Oh, did you put that on there?
Yeah.
Okay. I think this stuff's cooking.
See, there's fluid down inside there.
Is there fluid? Oh, it's dripping. Oh.
I gotta let it cool. I can't put my hand in behind it.
Oh, I hear what you're saying. Yeah, have a smoke on her, buddy.
That one.
Hey? I'm not gonna side cut it around him, I'll tell you that. He's just gotta cut harder into the bank there a bit. He does, look at that fucking unit. He just cuts over a little bit, we'll be alright. Yeah. There you go. Look at that unit, boys. That's how you plow a driveway, right there. Yeah. That's it. That's it. Look at that. There's our buddy. Making things move. Watch out for the other side. Sorry, Ian, I almost got you there. I didn't really have a lot of choice there.
Ah, it's short little legs.
That was fun. Okay, 1, 2, hit it. I don't know if I'd climb that or not. You're next, buddy. They threw the pack down and said, just throw it on your back and go for it. There's rocks in here though, you gotta be careful. Yeah, you'd be alright. It's a cool look. That sounds like a lawnmower.
He's in the splash zone. That wasn't even full throttle.
No. Right on, buddy.
Now he knows it'll do it. Now he's not going to stop.
That's how you cool that muffler down, buddy. You know, I'd go right ahead and go across that, but she's only a week old, and you know she's gonna go on.
A painful pill to spill.
It would be a painful pill, and I wouldn't be able to put it on video anyway if I did.
You gonna try it now?
Camera's on. Easy peasy, boys. Come on. No problem at all. She's deeper over there, boys. That thing sounds like it's misfiring, man. That machine does not sound tuned enough to be doing that anymore.